Our country, India, became free from the slavery of 200 years of British on 15th August 1947. Independence is about to complete 75 years. In the occasion, the entire country is celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Through Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, India is celebrating the glorious history of its people, culture, and achievements. After 25 years, in the year 2047, it will be 100 years since the country got independence. In the coming 25 years, the Amrit Kal for the country. I have a greater vision for India in 2047. We should overcome the problems of corruption, poverty, unemployment, malnutrition, and illiteracy. The India of my vision where women are safe and walk freely on road. Also, it will be a place where there is a freedom of equality for all and everyone. It will be a place where there is no discrimination of caste, color, gender, social or economic status and race. I see it as a place that sees an abundance of development and growth. It is my vision that India would be self-sufficient in food and the women of India of 2047 as empowered, who has equal rights with men with whom there is no discrimination in the job. Our country should continue to be cellular where all religions are treated equally. The entire world have recognized the strength of India. Poor children should get an education. There should be no continue to be the land of peace. Although the country is on the path of continuous development for the last 75 years. But in the coming 25 years, we Indians will have to become as powerful as we are never before. With regard to the years 2047, we have to set a target that after completing 100 years of independence, where do we see India? If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. We will always provide educational contents. Thank you so much.